right, we're solving and checking. Step 1, there's no parentheses, so I don't distribute. I do have like terms, so it's 2y minus 6y. So 2 minus 6 is negative 4y. Bring down the plus 3, bring down the equals 11. All right, I have variables on the left, so I need to get rid of this 3 by doing the opposite to get all my variables on the same side. My constants, sorry. The 3's cancel each other out. Bring down the negative 4y. 11 minus 3 is 8. Isolate by dividing. So y, I think, is negative 2. To check, I'll switch colors. And I'm going to rewrite this equation, but instead of y's, I'm going to put negative 2's in their place. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative times negative is going to be positive. 6 times 2 is 12. Oh, I forgot the plus 3. Plus 3 equals 11. So I have 4 negatives and 15 positives. So 15 minus 14 is 11. 11 equals 11. That checks out, so I can write my answer in the box. What was our first step? The first step was to combine like terms. Complete sentence. The first step was to, combine like terms. Period. The first step was to combine like terms. Yes, time for practice problem 2.